Hello students, I am Maninder, your SST teacher. Today we will discuss about history chapter 2nd. This is on the trial of the earliest people. Do you know in the ancient times or in the past time how people lived? Did they have the vehicles that we are having now? Did the people go to school like you people go to school nowadays? No. How did they live? We will discuss about the earliest people in this chapter. What was the occupation of the people in that time? They were hunters. They used to hunt the animals. What was the feature of these people? They were very alert, quick, and they had a presence of mind. They were very alert because the animals used to run very fast. So to catch the animals, the hunters were very fast and they have presence of mind. And other people, they were gatherers. What they used to do, they used to collect plant parts known when they knew it, when the fruits ripe, when they can collect the plants or the fruits to eat or to survive. Now we are talking about, did they used to stay at the same place or they moved? The resources will be exhausted at one place. We know that if we are living at the same place and we don't know the production process, then the resources will automatically be exhausted. This happened at that time. Resources will be exhausted at one place, so they moved one to another place to collect the resources. Hunters move with animals. Hunters had animals. They moved with their animals to another place. Plants are seasonal, so gatherers moved. We had read that the gatherers were used to collect plants. We know that plants are seasonal, so gatherers moved from one place to another to collect the plants to survive. Water sources. We know that to survive we need water. So water sources, some were perennial. It means that for whole the year we can get water from these type of sources, and some were seasonal. And some are seasonal. It means that for whole year we can't get water from these sources. So to get water, to get the other sources to survive, they also moved from one place to another. They were not used to live like us, like the modern human being that is living at the same place. Meet friends and relatives. They also had friends and relatives, those who were living in different places. So they moved to meet friends and relatives. Making stone tools. We have heard that they were used to hunt the animals. How did it happen? They also need some tools. So they were used to make tools from the stone. Stone to stone. One stone is used as hammer on another. You can just imagine this, that one stone is used as hammer on another to make the new stone tool. Tools they used, the stones they used, they were of stone, wood, bone. Animals' bones were also used at that time as tools. To scrap bark and hides. To scrap bark from the trees and hides from animals, they used the stone tools. To chop fruits and roots. For this purpose also they used only stone tools. In modern times we have seen many types of tools, iron tools. But at that time we were discussing that at that time they were using only stone tools. Fire. How did they know about fire? They rubbed one stone on another. In this process, fire occurred. They saw fire. After that, they were started using fire. Why? To light, to cook. Firstly, they were eating raw meat of animals. But after innovation of fire, they used to light or to cook the food with fire to fear away animals. They scared away animals with the help of fire. Animals were scared of fire, so they were saved from animals with the help of fire. Hunting to rearing. Firstly, they were only hunting the animals and eating them and surviving. But after some time, they started rearing the animals for their survival. How 12,000 years ago, due to climate change, shift to warm climate, firstly initially there was no that much warm environment climate, but after the 12,000 years there was a shift to warm climate and development of grasslands. Grasslands helped in rearing of animals. Increase in rearing animals. They started rearing different animals. Learned about food habits and breeding season of animal. Slowly, when they started rearing the animals, they started knowing about the food habits and breeding season of the animals. Grow crops like wheat and barley till now grown naturally. Wheat and barley that was growing naturally, and they didn't know about these the production of these wheat and barley. Now they themselves started growing these crops for their use. Now we are talking about the period of Stone Age. What was the period of Stone Age? This is described in three parts. Firstly is the Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period covers 99% of the Stone Age. Total of Stone Age, 99% is covered by Paleolithic period. Second one is Mesolithic period. In this period, they made hunting tools. In this period, this is a feature of this period, that they made hunting tools in Mesolithic period. Neolithic period. In Neolithic period, they started doing proper farming. They knew about the seasons or the proper way how to do farming. Site location. Site location near water source. Near water source, it is called source. Near stone source, we know that by stones, with the help of stone, they make the tools. That is called factory site. Okay, the chapter is covered. I hope you all have understood this. Notes and the worksheet or Google form will be sent to you in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.